Namo Buddhaya.
Friends, today I am going to make a Vesak Lantern. I'll tell you how to make a Vesak Lantern step by step. First, cut 24 pieces of bamboo of the same length. Next, tie the ends of the bamboo stick and make 6 squares. After that, tie the 6 bamboo squares together. Then cover the sides with colored tissue papers. Finally, cut and paste some streamers. This is the order how to make a Vesak Lantern step by step. First, cut 24 pieces of bamboo of the same length. Second, tie the ends of the bamboo stick and make 6 squares. Then tie the 6 bamboo squares together. After that, cover the sides with colored tissue paper. Finally, cut and paste some streamers. Now you can see a very colorful Vesak lanterns. You too can make a nice lanterns like this and light it for the wisdom of Lord Buddha, our great teacher. Happy Vesak festival to all of you.